Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today we are doing a requested video. We will be making a galaxy-like tumbler with colored glitter, and we will only be doing the epoxy method. No Mod Podge will be used for this cup. So let's get started. I've gone ahead and already mixed my epoxy. Mine is a 1-to-1 ratio. Make sure you read the directions for yours. I will be taking lots of fine glitter in different neon colors. We're also going to need a heat gun to get that glitter moving around. You'll also want like a sheet of paper or something to put under the cup for each color glitter that you will be using, and that's so you can catch it and put it back into the container and not have any waste. So we're just going to turn our turner on, and we are going to apply epoxy from top to bottom of our tumbler here. I do use a little more epoxy than I typically would, and this is because we're going to get that glitter to move around. So we want extra epoxy so it has something to help flow. This is that glitter flow method we'll be doing today. Make sure you get all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom and the bottom of the cup. You can tape off any part of the cup that you don't want any epoxy on. We're just going top to bottom with this one. Now that I'm happy with the coat, I'm just going to start by sprinkling my extra fine glitter onto the cup. There's no rhyme or reason to this method. I'm just kind of going. You will notice with this first one, I did forget to move my paper. So for the rest of the colors, I'm just going to kind of speed this up so that you're not just sitting here watching me dump glitter on a cup. Once all your glitter is applied, you want to take your heat gun, and on medium heat, you just want to kind of hit that cup all over. Don't get too close so that you don't harden the epoxy, but this just kind of makes that epoxy nice and wet, not too firm, and it helps move the glitter, and it just makes this flow and makes its own design, which is perfect for a galaxy landscape. So now that our epoxy is nice and dry, we can add our vinyl decal. Because I've got like a galaxy look going on, I thought this one was really cute for it. It says "Never Stop Dreaming." This is from the Dreamy Bundle Pack from craftbundles.com. If you want to see more of the different designs that are in this pack, just watch till the end of the video. And if you use code Erin20, you'll receive 20% off at checkout. If you watched any of my previous epoxy videos, you know on the final coat of epoxy, I always like to do that little touch where I add a little bit of glitter to my epoxy. Now, I wasn't going to add anything to this one because it has so much going on already, but when I was at Michael's, I found this super fun chunky glitter that has some purple and some silver stars in it, and I thought that would look really great with this design. So I'm going to add just a little bit because in this final coat, a little bit goes a long way. And I'm just going to stir that up in my epoxy that I have ready to go for this final coat. And we're just going to let that spin and do its thing. This is going to take anywhere from 4 to 8 hours to dry, so we'll just keep an eye on it and see how it's doing. And usually about at the 4 or 8 hour mark, I'll let it hang dry so that it just finishes curing properly. So we'll get back to this at the end of the video and see how it looks. Okay guys, there is the cup. I think it came out gorgeous. It's got this beautiful galaxy, nebula, mermaid color going on. It just looks fantastic. The color of the vinyl is great, and I'm really glad that I did that last bit of chunky glitter. I think it really added to the effect. It made it look just even more better than it already does. I'll try to get some photos and put it here at the end of the video. I think the video here is just not doing this cup color any justice. I love it. It came out great. Probably one of my favorite ones so far. We will do a design like this again, but with a white cup to see if the colors pop differently than off of the black. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you could give this video a big thumbs up, share it if you want to. That always helps me out. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Until next time, guys, never stop dreaming and happy crafting. Okay, guys, so here's that Dreamy bundle that I used for the cup. You can see it comes with 2 fonts, 80 plus cup files, and over 1,000 Dreamy clip arts. And just so you can see, it's a super cute font, some images, illustrations. There's another font which is adorable. Some clip art. Just a bunch of different things that you can use. It's very new baby friendly, kid friendly. Be a Dreamer is the one that I really liked from this bundle pack. I thought everything about it was just so pretty. Anyway, there's a lot of files in this one. It is $14 for the whole bundle. You do get commercial licensing with that. If you use my code Erin20 at checkout, it'll actually make it $11.20. You'll save 20%. So I'll link that in the description box if you want to check that out.